Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to work on a very important skill for reading, which is called blending sounds to read words. Let's take a look at three sounds we can blend together to make into a word. We have h, e, n. Let's do that again. H, n, h, n, hen. Those three sounds go together to make the word hen. Let's take a look at other sounds we can blend together and read them into words. What we'll do is we'll mark under the sound with a color. When you see the color go under the sound, we'll read that sound. Then we'll blend the sounds together to make the word. Let's begin. Y, e, t. Yet. Y, e, s. Yes. H, e, t. Het. S, e, t. Set. H, n. Hen. N. Men. H, n. Hen. T, n. Ten. Ed. Red. Let's go ahead and do that again. I'll use a new color and we'll go a little bit faster this time. Y, et. Yet. Y, es. Yes. H, et. Pet. S, et. Set. H, n. Pen. Men. Men. H, n. Hen. T, n. Ten. Ed. Red. Now let's look at the bottom of the page and read the words on their own. Yes. 10. Men. Set. Pet. Yet. Pen. Red. Pen. Great job. Thanks for practicing with me. Remember, blending sounds to read words is a super important strategy to know and to be able to do when you're reading. I hope to see you soon.